A Darling Library tutorial. Primary versus secondary resources. Knowing the differences and finding them. Primary sources are the raw materials of history, original documents and objects that were created at the time under study. They are different from secondary resources, accounts that retell, analyze, or interpret events, usually at a distance of time or place. Primary resources are typically not researched items, but secondary resources are always based on earlier work. One way to think about primary resources is that they are often the types of things found in a museum. Some common primary resources are letters, books, diaries, newspaper articles, maps, pictures or films, music, or other art forms. When searching for primary resources, remember that the name of things change over time. For example, we call it the flu or influenza, but it was known as the grippe in the 18th and 19th centuries. Use synonyms when searching by keyword. While in the database or catalog, be sure to set the date range to the appropriate time frame. Also, if given the opportunity to limit the results by material type, limit to some of the primary resource formats, like maps, diaries, or newspaper articles. More of our tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel. Just search for HIU Library.